Our sixth episode is all about a guy named Gio. He's working in a non-government organization as executive assistant. He really likes Anna to be his girlfriend. Anna is working in the same company as office administrator. Anna doesn't want Gio to be his boyfriend because of some reason. Gio sometimes asks Anna's friends if they can help him to get close to Anna even as a friend, but they hesitate to help him. So, Gio stopped pursuing Anna for a couple of days. He wants to know the reason why she doesn't want to be friends with me. He has no idea how to find out. Gio has a cousin named Helen. Helen is an accountant in a bank. Her salary is relatively small, so she wants to switch to another job. Gio knows the human resource manager in their company, so he asks him if there's a vacancy. The HR manager told him that next month our accountant will resign because she is going abroad with her family. Gio realizes that his cousin Helen is friendly and she is looking for a better job. So, Gio told Helen to apply to their company because the accountant will leave the place next month and the salary is quite high. He told Helen to please get close to Anna because he really likes her a lot, and he told her what to do during the interview and gave her tips to pass the initial screening, and Helen agreed. Helen applied for the position and got hired. After a few weeks, Helen and Anna became good friends. Gio asks Helen what Anna doesn't like about him. Helen advises Gio about what Anna likes in a man. So, Gio does what his cousin told him, and after a couple of days, Anna started to notice Gio and slowly they became close and eventually became a couple.